Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicole June and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing amazing and having a great summer. I literally have not filmed like at all this summer, so like, hey. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys all my summer favorites, like my must-have products that I swear by during the summertime. And the stuff I'm showing you, it's not that much stuff, but it's because I really narrowed it down and I was like, hey, if I'm recommending stuff, what are things people like need to buy for the summer? And this is the stuff. But yeah, before I make this intro too long, which I literally always do, I hope that you guys enjoy this video and let's just get right into it. I'm gonna start off with, this seems probably random, but like the thing that I am the most obsessed with that has like changed my hair, like literally changed it. So this shampoo and conditioner, for a little backstory, my hair is like insanely bleached and I think I used I used purple shampoo like every time I showered. So my hair started breaking off and was like literally like crunchy, like you know when your hair is frozen when you go outside in the winter and it's wet and it's like straight, like that's how my hair was. Like it was literally breaking off, like it was so bad. So I tried a few different shampoos and nothing worked. My hair was still crispy and gross. Until I tried this and it is so good. So they have this, this one's limited edition, but usually they have like a kale one. It smells like green apple. I tried that one, not the biggest scent of that one, fan of that scent, but this one is the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana and Coconut Nourishing Superfood Conditioner, and then the shampoo version of it. They look like this and they are not cheap. I got a little set, like a set with these, so they were a little bit cheaper. I think it was like $59. But like my hair after I used it once was like literally transformed. Like I had a sample of the apple one and my hair instantly, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go buy it, and I saw that they had this scent, so I was like, I'm gonna get that. But if you don't like the scent of bananas, you're probably gonna hate this. Like it literally just smells like a pina colada with a lot of banana in it. It literally smells so good. It smells so summery and I'm obsessed with this shampoo and conditioner. Like literally so worth your money. Go buy it, go smell it, and you're gonna be like, holy crap, I need it. Going along with scent, I have two things that smell really good. So this perfume I got for my birthday, so it's like pretty new. It's the Gucci Flora perfume. I didn't think I was picky about perfumes, but like it takes a lot for one to really stand out to me and like want to go buy it. And this one is very like, I'm so bad at explaining scents. It's very feminine and florally, but also like sweet and a little musky. It's like a good in between because I have so many like such sweet scents. I need something a little bit more mature, and this one literally just smells so good. Like I could just douse myself in this and I would not get sick of it. Like it smells so good. My boyfriend also, he's the one who like found this one and smelled it and he was like, you need this, and I smelled it, I was like, that's actually so good. But yeah, this is really good. I really like it. You can also, I'm pretty sure they probably have it in like a little travel size that you can try, but you won't be disappointed. It smells literally amazing. One thing I will say though is this doesn't last like crazy long on my skin. Like it lasts like a normal amount, but it's not like outstanding with how long it lasts, if that's something you're looking for. Keep that in mind. Another favorite that I have, I am not the kind of person that uses like body lotion or anything like that. Like I just don't usually care for it. I like buy it and never use it. But in the summertime when I'm tanned, or like I got home from vacation and my skin was like peeling for like 3 weeks. Like it was gross. My skin was so dry. So after I'm in the sun, obviously it dries your skin out. So I was looking for a good body moisturizer, and this is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. This is in the scent Vanilla Bean. They have a lot of different scents, but this one by far was my favorite. But it just smells very vanilla-y and it smells so good. It makes your skin so moisturized, but like it doesn't feel like sticky and like gross or oily. It just feels so hydrated and good. I really, really like this. Sorry if the lighting's changing, by the way. It's like natural lighting right now, so can't really help it. Alright, talking about the sun, I also have a sunscreen. I never thought I'd choose sunscreen in a favorites video because that's like super boring. But I've always found in the summer when I've used like normal sunscreen, which is probably what you're not supposed to do, but like on my face, I would always break out. Like my skin just would suck in the summer because of sunscreen. But this one is so good and I don't burn with it unless I miss spots, which I tend to do a lot. which is my own fault. If you saw my travel vlog, I literally put sunscreen on like this and had a line straight down my nose and then like all along my hairline, so that's really cute. But yeah, this is a Lancome SPF 50 Ultra Fluid Texture Facial Sunscreen, and I'm going to show you guys what this comes out like because it's like super watery, so it feels like you literally don't have anything on your face. Maybe a little bit of moisturizer, but I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. Oh yeah, you can probably tell. It's like literally just super liquidy, and it's just like already gone on my fingers. Like it's literally so light. It feels very nice on your skin, and it's not annoying and gross, and nobody wants that. But yeah, this is super good. I think it's like really expensive, but it comes out like, that didn't make sense. I'm pretty sure that this is kind of pricey, except I feel like it's worth it because it is a small bottle, except you literally need so little to put on your face. Like I use like one little thing of it and it covers my whole face and I'm good. But yeah, I really like this. This is kind of everywhere for where my favorites are because there's no like solid thing going on. I'll talk about a skincare product that's in my hand right now. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This literally smells like the best watermelon scent you'll ever smell. It smells so good, and it's like the weirdest liquid thing where when you dip your finger in it, you can't even feel that your finger is like in liquid. It's so weird, but then your finger's coated in it. Like it's the weirdest texture. It literally feels like the weirdest texture, but it feels so nice on your skin, and I really recommend trying this out because it feels so good, and it's also like super moisturizing and just A+, it's really good. So I only have one makeup product that I'm in love with because I really have not been wearing makeup at all. My skin is going through a time where it's like pretty decent. Like I have this on right now, but I also have had this on for like since 6 a.m. and it's now like 7 p.m. This like lasts pretty well on your skin, but like it's super natural. So this is the, I didn't say what this is, I'm just like talking. This is the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Oil Free. I'm in the shade Almond, by the way. I could probably go a little bit darker, except I feel like I'm not gonna stay like super tanned for that long, so there's not really a point. But this is like, it feels so nice on your skin. For a while I wasn't even wearing anything on my skin this summer, but since I'm going to work, I'm like I probably should look a little bit more put together. So I've been wearing this in the morning. I literally like rub it in with my hands and it just is so easy and like super light on your skin. Doesn't feel like you have makeup on it. Literally, as it says, feels like a moisturizer. I really like this. I literally want to try this for so long, and I've heard people talk about this for so long, but it just looked so boring, and I was like, there's really probably nothing special about it. Like, I just didn't think it would be that great, but it did not disappoint. It is really good, and I'm probably gonna repurchase this again and again because it's gonna be like a true, you know, favorite of mine for a while. These are my Ray-Bans. I am literally obsessed with these. These are, I don't know the style. It says oh, round metal. Okay, they look like this. They are literally like the cutest, most perfect sunglasses. I had one of these for so long and I finally splurged and got them, and they're super cute, except I sat on them at the beach by accident, so this one is like way over here. But yeah. Okay, so my last favorite is this beach bag. It's from Aldo, and it is literally the cutest little beach bag ever. I'm obsessed with it. I think it was like $50 or something, but it like fits everything that I need to fit. Like I have books, sunscreens, I'll keep like shirts in here. Like it somehow fits a decent amount of stuff, and it is so cute and just like perfect. Okay, so that is it for this video. I'm sorry I'm like rushing it, but people are really loud downstairs and I don't really want to film like that. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.